Recently, this thread posted on Apple support communities has attracted a lot of attention, as many users had undergone iPhone contacts missing. This video discusses the main causes of this situation, and give you some tips on how to restore contacts on iPhone. Part 1. Why are some of my contacts missing from my iPhone? iOS downgrade upgrade. Accidental deletion. Virus attack. An Apple ID is used on different iDevices. iPhone jailbreak. Part 227 Quick solutions to fix iPhone contacts missing. Solution 1. Reset network settings. Solution 2. Log out of iCloud and sign in back. Solution 3. Turn off iCloud contacts and turn it on. Solution 4. Change default account and settings back to iCloud. Solution 5. Change group settings. Solution 6. Recover contacts using iTunes backup. Solution 7. Force restart your iPhone. Part 3. How to fix all contacts disappeared from iPhone without backup. All my contacts disappeared from my phone for unpredictable reasons, and there's no previous backup of them. Confronted with these circumstances, you can laugh it off and choose Mobikin Doctor for iOS without hesitation. How do I get my iPhone contacts back without backup using this iPhone data recovery? Install and launch the program. Connect iPhone via USB. Select Recover from iOS device. Choose Contacts. Click Start Scan to scan iPhone. After scanning, select Lost Contacts. Click Recover to Computer.